So in this video, we're going to be learning how to hold a pencil for shading. One of the biggest mistakes I see students make when they're shading is they hold a pencil as if they were writing. But when we're writing, we're actually pressing really hard. And we don't want that when we're shading. We want shading that is nice and neat, smooth, and controlled. So let's talk about the different ways we can hold a pencil. So this way, holding it straight down, this is the way that you normally write. This is not going to be the best way to hold a pencil for shading. What you want to do is hold your pencil more at a 45-degree angle to the paper so that you are using the side rather than the tip of the pencil. See the difference? Now there's a couple ways that I like to hold a pencil. The first way is what I'm doing right now. So you would take your pencil as if you were writing and you're just tilting your hand. And you want this part of your hand to be reaching on the paper, in contact with the paper. Obviously this is tricky sometimes if you don't want to smudge your work. That way we could always prop it up a little bit, or we can put our paper under our hand, but I'm just showing you how to hold a pencil for today. Let's leave the logistics for another day. So that's option number one. It's the same grip, you're just tilting sideways. Option number two is to pinch your pencil. So I like pinching the pencil sometimes because you can get in those really detailed areas and you have a lot of control over your shading. This will help you to shade really dark, small areas sometimes too. If you can see there, I have control whether I'm pressing very light or very hard. The last way I would hold a pencil is just a little bit farther down, and that's if I'm having a big space that I need to cover. So let's say I wanted to cover up here at the top of the page. Whoops, made a mistake there. You can hold it like that. Now you can see that I've put my fingers on top to control the pencil, or you can still do the same pinching technique, but make sure that you're getting that angle correct so that it's not making any mistakes. So that is how I'd like you to hold a pencil when shading.